Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video we are going to learn how to install Oracle database. So first of all you need to open any of your browser and search for Oracle database software and go to the official site. So after that we need to search for Oracle database Express, and from here we need to download Oracle database 11G release 2 Express edition for Windows 64 because I'm having a 64-bit operating system. Just click on it, Windows x64, so we should download this one, first option. So after extracting the file, we will get a dix1 file. We need to open it. It is preparing to install. Click on next, accept, next. I'm keeping this as default. Next, you have to set here a password which you need to remember while logging in. So uninstall. Again wait for some time and it's installing. Now the setup part is completed. We need to finish it and we are done. The installation process is complete. We just need to go to our search bar and search run SQL command line. Open this one. This is our command line. Here we are going to do all the SQL stuff. So let's get excited a bit. So first of all we need to log in, and the procedure is we need to type the command. So it's connected, and for checking if that the SQL command line is working, we can run one query. So let's see. The